Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to withdraw USDT from Robinhood to Kucoin in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this process might have some updates, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make it straightforward and hassle-free. Whether you're looking to move your assets for trading or just diversifying your portfolio, this guide is perfect for beginners and pros alike. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Kucoin, and that you've enabled two-factor authentication for security. It's a must in the crypto world. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to your crypto section, where you'll see your USDT balance. Select USDT and look for the withdraw option. It's usually under a transfer or withdraw button. Step 2. Choose the right network for your withdrawal. In 2025, networks like Tron or ERC20 are common for USDT, so double-check that it matches what Kucoin supports to avoid any lost funds. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, and then you'll need your Kucoin wallet address. Copy it carefully from your Kucoin account to paste here. Step 3. Review the details, including any fees. Withdrawal fees can vary, so keep an eye on that to ensure it's worth it. Once you're good, confirm the transaction. Robinhood will process it, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. After that, head over to Kucoin. Step 4. Log into your Kucoin account and check your wallet. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the USDT to show up, depending on network congestion. If it doesn't appear, don't panic. Just verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer. A quick tip. Always use the exact wallet address and network to prevent errors, and consider the market conditions since crypto prices can fluctuate. Also, be aware of any regulatory changes in 2025 that might affect withdrawals. There you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from Robinhood to Kucoin. It's easier than it sounds once you get the hang of it. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.